तिरुमलवासा नित्यपुरीशा तिरुमलवासा नित्यपुरीशा तिरुमलवासा नित्यपुरीशा देवादिदेव नित्य गोविन्दा देवादिदेव नित्य गोविन्दा देवादिदेव नित्य गोविन्दा देवादिदेव नित्य
ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus, de facto Kailashians from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvanyapita Kartas, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotari, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, E-Gurukul students, Kailasas NHU students, Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, E-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals, supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras, and all those watching us live on Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, everywhere, sitting with us all over the world, especially Kailasa, Ohio. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, auspicious occasion. Kailasa, Ohio, we are having Kumbhabhishekam for Paramashakti Meenakshi and Srinivasa Venkateshwara Swami and my deity. All the three we are installing and Kumbhabhishekam is getting done today. Of course, Kumbhabhishekam is already done. Now the Mahamangalarati is going to happen. First, I wanted to convey my love, gratitude, best wishes, blessings, all the auspiciousness, punya, good karma, all the best blessings to everyone associated with Ohio Kailasa, to all of you who are there. See, the Kailasa, Ohio has a long history. And Kailasa, Ohio has a unique place in our Kailasa. Many of you may not be aware, Ohio Temple is the first temple of Kailasa in USA. Ohio is the first temple In US, Los Angeles was done after Ohio. Ohio is the first temple. I think first I went to Ohio in 2003. And then every year I started going to Ohio. Sangha started happening. Then Ma Shivananda took the responsibility. I think 2007, the temple in Ohio has happened. All the devotees, all the disciples, everyone from 2003 worked for Kailasa in Ohio, made this temple happen, and till now, volunteering, maintaining, everyone. I wanted to thank sincerely for making this Kailasa in Ohio happen. How we started in 2003 and how it all evolved, how we expanded. I think Ma Shivananda can write a book of the whole Ohio Kailasa history. So I wanted to thank every one of you who are here, and there may be some devotees who made the temple happen, but today they may not be here. Everyone I wanted to thank and give my love, best wishes, blessings. And I also wanted to thank the priests, all the priests who have come today. You have all done a wonderful Prana Pratishtha and Kumbhabhishekam. I want to sincerely thank all of you for conducting all the rituals and everything. And actually I know every name who are there. Bodhana. If I start naming, I can name everyone. I wanted to give my love, blessings, best wishes, gratitude to all of you for making this Kailasa in Ohio happen. 2003, first I visited. The Sangha started in Ohio in 2003. Then it evolved 2004, 5, and then after Ma Shivananda took over the responsibility, the temple has happened and it has expanded with the grace of Paramashiva. Today we are having Meenakshi Devi's Prana Pratishtha and Venkateshwara's Kumbhabhishekam. Prana Pratishtha and Kumbhabhishekam. Ohio is too close to my heart. I have too many things to tell about Ohio. It's literally my heart. And only one word I wanted to put it. Thanks to all of you. Thank you all. See, many people worked directly, indirectly, and made this temple happen. Some of them may be still connected to me, some of them may not be connected to me. Whether you are connected or not, the Shiva Punya you did will be showered on you. The Shiva Punya never goes waste. The Shiva Punya will be there for all of you. And my blessings to all the devotees who are here. So happy to see all of you. We will also install soon Kalabhairava and Navagrahas. The deities are ready. We will be sending the deities, and the Kalabhairava is a tall Kalabhairava, almost 11 feet Kalabhairava deity is ready, which will be soon coming to Ohio. Yes. I just want to thank all of you for this wonderful temple, making this Kailasa in Ohio happen. I know Ma Shivananda stood like Arunachala and made this temple happen. It is her Guru Bhakti and her commitment made this temple happen. My blessings to all of you. I feel Ma Shivananda should write a beautiful book on the history of whole Kailasa in Ohio. And once again, I want to thank all of you for being here. Ohio Temple has a beautiful history and very near and dear to my heart. I want all of you to know the Paramashiva in Ohio, that Shiva deity is personally carved by me. That Shiva deity, we have photographs where I used to spend day and nights carving the deity. Personally, physically, I carved the deity. And my deity, which is coming today, which is getting installed there in Panchaloka, that was also personally done by me. Main Paramashiva deity and my deity, these two both are done by me. Personally carved by me, hand carved by me. This Panchaloka 5 metal deity which is getting installed, my deity, that wax model I personally did. Finishing I did it personally. It was, this Paramashiva deity was done in 2003. And this, my deity was done in 2004, I think, 4 or 5. So Ohio is too close to my heart. I have so much of sweet memories associated to Ohio. Blessings to all of you guys. Blessings to all. Ohio Temple is a history. Understand, this temple is not just a temple. It's a history. I want all of you to know, as per the international standard. See, internationally there is a standard. Basic 4 ingredients are required for a nation. Sovereign land, permanent population, permanent governance and constitution structure, and recognition treaty with other countries through which you can enter into business agreements or transactions. These four are the internationally accepted basic ingredients needed for a nation, sovereign nation. As per this definition by UN, we have, by the grace of Paramashiva, we have all the four ingredients, and we are the only Hindu sovereign nation on the planet Earth. In the planet Earth, we are the only Hindu nation which has a sovereign land. And all the four ingredients needed for a sovereign nation. This whole thing, this great sovereign nation for Hinduism has started in Ohio, because the first temple is Ohio. See, outside India, the first property we started owning is Ohio temple. So, it is started in Ohio. The seed was sown in Ohio. I wanted all of you to know, if you are part of the Ohio temple, you are part of the great Hindu history, Hindu sovereign nation, Kailasa. Please understand, time will tell the importance of the Hindu nation. Time will tell what I have done with the grace of Paramashiva. But mark my words, if you are part of the Ohio temple, you are already immortalized. You are immortalized. You are now immortal in the history of Hinduism, because you are part of the great Hindu nation sprouting. Understand? The great Hindu nation Kailasa started in Ohio, started opening in Ohio. You are all part of that history. You are all part of that history. I want to sincerely thank all of you for being part of this history. And soon, I'll be coming to Ohio physically. And I want to tell you guys, when I come to US, surely I'll be visiting Ohio temple. Now I'll be coming as the head of the Kailasa nation. The diplomatic relationship with US government is getting established. Maybe all of you know already. The Washington DC, we already opened the embassy. And 10 of our Adinavasis are sitting in Washington DC. The diplomatic relationship with US is happening. Soon you can expect me visiting US as head of the nation, head of the Kailasa. Surely I'll visit Ohio to see you all physically. And I wanted to thank every one of you again. Directly, indirectly worked and made the Kailasa in Ohio happen. Especially Ma Shivananda and everyone associated with Kailasa in Ohio. Thank you all. Thank you all. Many I can name. I know the names of many of you. And my blessings to all of you. I want to tell you all, the Shiva Punya will be there. Blessings to all of you. Let's start the Aarti. Let's start the puja. And my blessings to all of you. With this, I bless you all. And also today we had a beautiful Chitra Nakshatram. Mrityunjay Homa in Los Angeles. My blessings to all the Balasans who did wonderful puja. Blessings to all of you. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing. Living Paramadvaitam, Shuddhatvaita Saiva. The state, space, powers, being superconsciousness and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.